Hi you guys, it's Anna and I am back with a vlog this time. I worked out this morning, I took a shower, got ready. It is currently 10:21. You see that? I just made breakfast. I made a breakfast sandwich. Ooh, look at that. It has avocado, hash brown, cottage cheese, eggs, hot sauce, and tomato. You can't see the tomato, but I promise it's in there. And I have a banana if I'm still hungry. But I just thought I would talk to you guys about what my plans are today as I eat my meal. Let's take a bite first though. Cheers! Hell yeah. So it's a Saturday. I have no plans today, which is amazing. That's like my favorite type of day in the world. I do want to get some schoolwork done. So the first thing I'm going to do today is go to a cafe. I believe it's called Georgie's. I found it on an Instagram reel. It looks really nice. I think it's in the Lower East Side. So we're going to go there and do some work. Probably get a coffee or a matcha and sip on it. And then after I do my work there, I low-key have no idea what else I'm going to do. I might go to a record store, book shopping. I low-key need some new socks and underwear. So maybe shop for that. But I think I want to see Warfare, the new Kit Connor movie, later today too, because I love Kit Connor. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me, kind of harping on the same vibe as my last video. I'm spending this whole day alone and I am so excited. I love taking myself on like little explory days like this in New York. It is really rainy today, which isn't the best, but I'm gonna romanticize it and make this a great day. So I will see you guys as I am on the train to the cafe. I'm currently in Soho and it's really cold and it's raining, so I'm going somewhere else. I was gonna go to shops. I was gonna go to Bagu, but it's just too cold. I'm freezing, so I'm gonna go see Warfare now. I'm gonna go take the subway down to the movie theater and then wait in like a coffee shop or something until the movie because I'm freezing. But yeah, so time to go see a movie. Yay. was a long day. I was basically out all day from like 10 a.m. to not 7:13. I saw Warfare, like I said I would, and it was intense. It was very intense. It's a war movie, so what can you expect? But I don't know. Loki felt like propaganda. The sound design was really good. It's very loud. It was really weird seeing Kit Connor in that type of scenario. It was weird seeing him in that scenario as an American soldier fighting in Iraq. You know, usually I see him as Nick Nelson, so it takes place during like one span of like an hour and a half. So there was like no exposition of any of the characters or anything. But now I'm home and I'm going to lay down and do nothing, probably edit this video, read a little bit more. Let me talk about the book I'm reading right now. I showed it earlier, but I'm reading This Is How You Lose the Time War by Amal El Motar and Max Gladstone. I'm reading this for a book club I'm in with my friends at school. I'm currently 55 pages in. I don't know what the hell's going on. I actually have no idea what's happening in any of this, like none, 0 clue at all. I did see a review from Jack Edwards that said the second half makes it all make sense, so I'm just really holding out for that. But I'll probably read some of this tonight, put on a candle, and chill the fuck out, because I'm tired, and I have a full day tomorrow as well. But thank you for watching this if you did. Sorry if I haven't been looking at the camera, I've been looking at myself, because I'm self-centered. Just kidding. But yeah, thank you for watching. That was fun. I hope to make more videos like that. My hair looks amazing right now. Okay, I'm actually gonna go now. Goodbye.